The president of the Northwest Regional Assembly, flanked by his executive, on Friday, July 8, 2023, visited some project sites funded by the Northwest Regional Assembly. Their first stop was at GBHS Bamenda. Here, the president and his executive appreciated the ongoing construction of the modern science laboratory. Same appreciation was done at the Old Town Bamenda, where the palace of the Muslim traditional leader is presently being transformed.
We have met with the state engineer for this contract, the contract engineer, and we've evaluated the works that have been done so far. We've understood that the topography of the area required an adjustment of the technical aspects of the project. We are happy that this has been done. We hope that this will contain the large number of learners.
The Northwest Regional Delegates of Secondary Education and the Muslim traditional leader both applauded the efforts of the Northwest Regional Assembly.
I'm extremely happy and grateful to the Regional Assembly for what they are doing. And the projects that are being carried out now are going a long way to address our worries, because the next school year will be coming up with far more serious enrollment than we had the current year.
This is a great day for us, the Muslims, all over the world. And the work that the Regional Assembly are carrying out, the renovation of the palaces, I and the entire community, the Muslim community, we are so happy for this work, because at first we never knew that the first project at the Regional Assembly will carry out the way we put us inside.
This project and others funded by the Northwest Regional Assembly is one of the duties of the House, which is providing the best of social amenities to the population within the Northwest region.